friends, welcome to my channel. Happy Friday. Guys, I'm going crazy over here. This is like my third video this week. And I have one coming out Sunday. A Trash for Treasure with Coffee with My Sunshine. So please keep an eye out for that one. Okay, so these are really some crazy cool projects. I've just been really in a great mood and really been inspired to create. Okay, so this first one is like a bird cage light fixture, hanging light fixture. So I'm using this, I don't know what it's called. I can't remember, rice ribbon or whatever, and some sticks. And I'm just building it up to make it look kind of like a bird cage. So I make circles out of the rice ribbon, I'll call it. And then I just hot glue my sticks around the, I really wish I knew what this stuff is called that I'm using. I don't even know what to look up to find the link or the name of it. I just saw it on Amazon one day and I thought it looked cool, so I bought it. Okay, so now I'm adding another layer around the outside to cover up where the sticks are. I don't want to show the raw edges. I do that all the way up, and this little birdcage thing was going to have 3 layers, but when I got to the top, I didn't like how it looked. So you'll see here I'm going to add this around the second layer. And there's baby, of course. She looks like she's going to go to the bathroom on my craft table. But I think she's getting ready to jump down. That looks terrible. She looks like she's going to go to the bathroom. Right on my lap. Oh my God. Anyway, you see me trying to build it up here. I change my mind. And I make a round top out of cardboard. And then I put the puck light on the inside and a string on the top, and I think that's it. But no, I don't like the plainness of the top, so I'm going to add more sticks. I can't even think of the name that the sticks are called. I don't even know. Anyway. I just add them straight across. I was going to do them like a diamond from the middle out, but I didn't think it would look right. And here's my finished project, guys. Project 2 is pretty cool too, you guys. I think, anyway. Now, I tried to make a backdrop a while ago. I tried to make it out of a box, and it didn't really work out. So then I saw this, I think, on either Pinterest or TikTok. And she just took some of these big card, poster boards, and she put some paper on it, and then she tape them together, and you'll see. Okay, so I'm using this wrapping paper I got off Amazon. It's the terrazzo wrapping paper for one. Actually, for 2 of them. I bought 3 pieces of poster board. And now I'm using this roll of, it's kind of like faux paneling looking. Now I'm taping the backs together, and it's just going to be like a backdrop that you can just change by flipping the poster board. And I'll show you in a minute what I mean by that. But you just cover the front of the cardstock, the poster board, and then tape it on the back, and see there, and then just maneuver it so it shuts. And then this is how it looks when it's done. I'm going to show you and then I'll show you my finished project all fixed up. Here you go. Project 3 is cool as well. So I'm taking some of my clay, and I've been watching Tina Lee. I love her channel. I'll put it in my description box. And she makes these all the time. And also Lone Fox. So you take some pepper, and it has to be the kind of pepper you grind, and you just put it out on the table and roll your clay in it, and it really looks like cement. After that, you just make a ball out of the clay, and then I'm going to take some Mod Podge and put a little coating on the top of it so the clay doesn't fall out. Then I'm going to take my candle, and I'm going to make a hole in the top. Just so while it dries, the hole can be there. And then here's my finished project. So freaking easy. I hope you enjoyed these cool projects as much as I enjoyed making them. Please subscribe to my channel. I could really use the support, guys. And hit that like button if you enjoyed it too.